Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in the key of new type of Peugeot and old type of Peugeot. Are you interested? Let's have a look. For replace battery in old type key, we have to use screwdriver T8. This is a star screwdriver or Torx, some people say, yeah. So we have to put in here, we have to remove the screw. Screw is off. In here we have to split the key with another screwdriver. The key is split. We need to turn around. In here is battery. We have to pop it off. Remember to do it quickly because you can lose the code of the key sometimes in some of keys. We have to put new battery on it. It's alright. Everything back on. Yeah. Put screw back on. It's done, yeah. This one is done. Now the new type of key. Here are switches, so we need to do on the back side. Put the screwdriver in here, pop it off. Yeah, just pull it this way from here to here. Battery is in here, so we need to pop it off and replace the battery the same type like the first key. And I'm not gonna do it because this key is with new battery, so I can give you a code of the battery. The new type of the key got a code CR2032. The old type of the battery is 2016. So if you guys are happy with my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.